is Cummins and I started studying at NCL in 2016. I studied the NC Film and Photography course and I stayed there for 3 years and went on to do the HND. My time at college was positive. It was really good way to develop my interests and skills, and I gained a lot of good friendships through that I didn't expect. Before studying, I barely had any experience with filming. I had a camera but barely knew how to use it, and honestly without the help I had on the course, I don't think I would know the same things I do now. I wouldn't have the same skills. Studying at NCL was very hands-on. It was always about practical work and getting out there and just learning by doing. Best part of the course for me was classmates and the lecturers. We all got on really well and it made working on projects just that much smoother. Even the lecturers, they were always there to push us to get the work done, but also at the same time it wasn't, the classroom setting there wasn't pressure, it was just relaxed and welcoming. It didn't feel like a chore to get the work done, it didn't feel like a bother, like we didn't want to do it. It was always fun. We had the freedom to work in whatever way suited us individually, rather than just sitting in a classroom learning the same way as everyone else, because we don't all learn the same way. Everyone had each other's back when it came to getting projects completed, because you needed their help, you needed them to help you out. That's the kind of course it is. NCL have a really good assortment of equipment that's available for the students to use and book out. It's really good because it's flexible, you can do it in your own time. It doesn't need to be in college, and they've got a lot of good stuff to try out, and it's a good way to find out what you like to use before you have to go out there and buy it yourself, because things like that are really expensive. So use it while you can. Since leaving college, I haven't continued to study or work in film, but I have been helping out students with their stuff, their projects, and I've had a few side projects of my own to work on. I did consider uni for a while, but just hearing from classmates' experience with uni, it probably wouldn't be worth my time in comparison to what I got at NCL. I feel like it'd be a step back, basically. Just how I feel. I've always been welcomed back at NCL whenever I've been visiting or helping out a student with a project. The lecturers are always dead friendly, dead helpful, and honestly they really make the course for a lot. I think a lot of us would agree, they make the course. It wouldn't be the same without them individually.